Natural remedies for eliminating parasites. Parasites are a lot more common than we think, and they're difficult to diagnose because the symptoms they cause can be confused with other things, like excessive appetite, tiredness, or anxiety. They're also related to some neuronal diseases, which is why it is convenient to know the symptoms and prevent them. Below we will talk about the most common symptoms of parasites, of which Candida is the most well known. We will also talk about natural foods and remedies that can help to treat them naturally. The most common symptoms: appetite disorders, excessive or lack of hunger, swollen eyes, anxiety or nervousness, stinging in the end of the nose, the eyes, or the anal area, dilated pupils, intestinal disorders, constipation, diarrhea, insomnia for no apparent cause, tiredness, headache. Some illnesses like epilepsy, autism, or Alzheimer's could be related to the presence of parasites. Anti-parasite diet. You must follow a strict diet in order to eliminate parasites, as parasites feed off certain foods. It is absolutely fundamental to completely avoid sugar and sugary foods, alcohol, you should also reduce your consumption of refined carbohydrates, white rice, pasta, baked goods, among other things. Garlic. Garlic is a medicinal food that acts as a natural antibiotic and that helps us prevent a lot of illnesses. It is very effective against parasites as well, and the only downside to garlic is its odor, and that there are some people who don't digest it well. For those that do tolerate it well, you can eat it raw in the morning. You can also try the ancient Tibetan garlic cure. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are one of the most potent foods around to preventing and eliminating parasites. You must eat them raw, without toasting, and preferably in the morning before you eat breakfast. You can also make a vegetable drink similar to horchata by grinding 50 grams of pumpkin seeds with 250 cc of water. You can sweeten the drink with a bit of stevia. Oral use of oregano essential oil. The most effective essential oil at eliminating parasites is oregano, but when you buy it you should specify that it is for oral use, because if not, it could be toxic. Take 1 drop daily, preferably on an empty stomach, blended with a bit of vegetable oil. Intestinal flora. Intestinal parasites alter the intestinal flora, and frequently proliferate if this flora is imbalanced. That's why it is good to eat probiotics to repopulate intestinal flora and to fight parasites. You can buy them in pharmacies or herbal stores, and take them temporarily. Thyme and chamomile infusions. Even though infusions are a rather gentle remedy compared to extracts, they can help prevent or complement treatment. Prepare 1 liter of thyme and chamomile infusions a day to drink throughout the day. Grapefruit seed extract. This extract can be bought in herbal stores and has demonstrated its ability in several studies to kill or inhibit growth of a large variety of potentially harmful bacteria, fungi, viruses, and parasites. It is also rich in vitamin C. Take according to package instructions. Papaya seeds. You can make a papaya shake by adding the seeds, water, and a bit of stevia to sweeten it. Drink it in the morning before breakfast. Homemade syrup. You can prepare a homemade syrup with the following ingredients: 100 grams of pumpkin meat, 500 grams of crushed garlic cloves, 500 grams of honey. Cook the pumpkin in 2 liters of water, until the water is reduced to half. Remove from heat, add garlic, and let set for 2 hours. Afterwards, add honey, and filter. Drink 2 spoonfuls a day. General advice. If you have pets at home, you should deparasite them periodically, according to your vet's recommendations. They can pass parasites through contact. It is also important to know that if someone in your family has parasites, they could have also passed them to other family members, which is why everyone should follow through with the treatment.